Girlygrrlstyle, and Bill's driving. I am not driving. Anyway, today is a very special day because I am participating in a challenge with the Grateful Queen, and we are doing a really cool challenge. What we're doing is 2020 and 2020 hashtag. That's what we have decided to call it. And essentially, we are going to have $20 and only 20 minutes inside the thrift store to see what treasures we can find. So I have my handy dandy hubby coming with us so that he can try to get some really good footage while we're in there. But 20 minutes, if you're a thrifter, you know that 20 minutes is not a lot of time. So we will see what we can find. We're gonna go to a place that we don't typically, or that I don't typically go to, but they are having a sale today, so I thought it would be a great opportunity to maybe pick up some really cool pieces. So anyway, we are gonna take you along and see how well I can do this challenge. And Quinby also is doing the challenge, so her video is going to be up right now as you're watching this on her page. So I challenge all of you to go watch her video and let us know in the comments what you think. So anyway, we're almost there. Wish me luck. What do you say, B?
Good luck.
All right, well, we just parked. I just took off my jacket because I want to be ready to go when we run in there. I have my purse. I also have my reusable bag. So as soon as we get out there, I'm gonna have Bill start recording, and he's gonna set the timer as soon as I step into the store. So we're not gonna set the timer until we get into the store, but then we have 20 minutes. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, cool, okay, ready?
Yep. Oh. 'Running out of it. 14 and a half minutes. Yep. Seven minutes.
Okay, are you recording? No?
Just wasting time now.
I know, we're gonna have to figure out what I'm doing. Okay, so we have 7 minutes left, and I've already done
Got
this.
6.5 minutes left. Alright, you better get on it, because you got 30 seconds. 20 seconds.
If it's not in the cart, then I can't count it. Nope.
8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. 0.
All right, now it's time to, can't add anything else, but we're gonna sort it out now. Okay, so we just wrapped up. Pretty sure I killed it. I'm so excited, but it is the most stressful thing on the planet to only have 20 minutes to shop. I was finding so many good pieces. So I spent $14.32. Okay, well, we're back home after the challenge, and it went great. I will tell you, it was stressful. It was stressful. And having a time limit set on the amount of time that you can actually spend in a store really does, I don't know, it played with me. The whole time I just kept saying, what time is it? What time is it? Tell me what time is it? How much time do I have? So my focus was, and I know we didn't get a lot of footage inside the thrift store, but my focus really was go to the most impactful items that they had first. And then if I had any time left, then I would end up in kind of the miscellaneous pieces. So there they actually have all of their shoes on top of all the racks. So for me, shoes is one of the most impactful items. Shoes were not on sale today though, so unless it was a specific color. And for me, for 20 minutes, it didn't really make sense monetarily to go through all of the shoes because that would take a huge chunk of my time. So instead, I started looking at the clothing pieces. I started with the long sleeve tops because I can typically find some really good blouses. And remember, if you watch me at all, I sell a lot of tops. I've kind of stopped picking them up because the return on investment is so low, but for this particular challenge, I wanted to see what I could find in 20 minutes. So overall, I ended up with, I went to many different sections. I went to, and they also don't have their jackets really separated, and that's one of my favorite categories, but I went to, a few different places, and then I ended up in purses, didn't find any purses, but I did end up with 7 items. 7 items, and I spent $14.32. Yes, I know, in 20 minutes. So crazy, so crazy. I am so excited. But I will be totally honest, I don't even remember what I picked up. So, it's one of those things, you get down to it, you only have 20 minutes, you're checking out, and I'm like, I don't even remember picking that up. So hopefully the 7 items that I found are going to be money makers. So now we're gonna do the haul portion. So you and I can sit here and take a look at all the items that I picked up during this 20-minute challenge. All right, iced tea, anyone? Always stay hydrated when you're thrifting. So the first item that I'm pulling out here, and hopefully it's not damaged, I didn't look too much at condition, which is probably a really bad idea because this looks like it actually is falling apart. Maybe, let me see. It is, but I think I can easily fix that. So anyway, I picked this up. I've actually sold a kilt before, and this is a real kilt. This is Moffat Weavers of Moffat, Scotland. Here we go. This is kind of this yellow plaid, super cool midi. I will tell you, the last time I bought one of these, I picked it up because I wasn't quite sure. I had such a really great deal on it, and it sold within, I want to say a couple of days. So I do like kilts, especially because these are, this one's from Scotland and it's pure wool. So that was good. And if you are not, great at math, which I am not, the calculator tells me that this was an average cost of goods of $2.05 per item. So that's awesome. Okay, the next piece, this is interesting. Okay, I think that I picked this up, and this will be going into the 324 finds closet. So we do have 2 different Poshmark closets, 2 different aesthetics. So the tartan, the plaid, not the tartan, the kilt will be going into my closet, but this is Free People, and it's definitely boho. So I picked this up not just because of the label, but I love the shimmery of the fabric and then the little details at the neckline. It is a drawstring, and then it has the little bells. I don't know if you can hear that, the little bells down there. I really liked this piece, and again, it's a size small, but it's really pretty. And this, everything was like 60% off, so it was such a good deal. So I got that. One other tip, so if you only have 20 minutes, again, go to the most impactful places, but also for me, I look for patterns. because if there's a whole giant section that's all black, it would take me 30 minutes to go through an all black section or an all white section. You know what I mean? So what I do is I actually go down, and this is what I did while I was there. I go down and I take a look for patterns, things that stand out to me, that are bright, that are unique, that are different. And that's actually how I ended up with most of these. I think everything I got was had a nice little pattern. So this is making sure that this is in fact Free People and not poof. Sometimes it happens, but it is Free People. Go another Free People. And this one is really pretty. I love this. It's a 3/4 sleeve. It's floral. It's kind of a shimmery material. It's definitely like a poly. It has this cutout in the back, so you kind of have this really cute cutout. And this is it's kind of t-shirt material. But yeah, it was really fun, and I like the bright colors. And this one is a size medium. I did get something vintage, actually a couple of vintage pieces, which is really nice. So this vintage dress right here, so cute. It's Glamax. I don't know what, here you go, you can see really cool label. It's a boat neck with puff sleeves. It does have the elastic waistband, and ta-da, it had the belt with it, so that makes it even more of a winner. But I love those shoulders, these sleeves, and this color combination is really awesome, especially as we go into warmer months. I think this will be a great transition from the darkness of winter to the lightness of spring. Forgot what the next season is. Okay, what, oh my goodness, we still have a few more pieces. Okay, this one I picked up. I actually had this in the cart as a standby, just in case I was under the $20, which, as I told you, I was $14.32 is all I spent. So I picked this up. It's Target. And again, I don't pick up a lot of the lower end brands, but so it's just Mossimo. But look at this color, this burnt orange. It's knit. It's in amazing condition, and it's a shawl collar grandpa sweater. I mean, when I saw this, I really didn't care what the brand was, and it's a little cropped, so this actually will be nice. I like the longer sweaters or cardigans, but it also has your little faux leather buttons, which is super fun. And yeah, I just thought that this color was great, and this one is a size small. So that one was like in the cart as in just in case. All right, 2 more pieces. I picked this up. It's pink. It's adorable. It's from the brand Hinge, which is from Seattle. I like this brand. And it's a moto jacket. So it's a pink, what do you call this? This is not Swiss dots. It's nubby. It's like a nubby fabric, and it's meant to be that way, by the way. It's all the way around. But it's this pink moto jacket, and it is lined. And yeah, I mean, hello, number 1, you had me at pink. Number 2, you had me at moto jacket. And then the brand is really amazing, and it also has these zipper sleeves. So this one is a size small as well, but this is a great find. Okay, 1 more piece. This one was one of my favorite pieces. Actually, I saved it till the end. So as I mentioned before, looking at colors, looking at patterns, this stood out to me immediately. This is a vintage, beautiful piece. I think it's actually silk. Nope, it's polyester. You know, they're kind of similar. Not at all. But look at the vibrancy of this print. It's kind of this abstract watercolor painting, almost floral. It is so phenomenal. It has just the back buttons here as it goes up the neckline. It is a crew neck. So pretty. It does have shoulder pads. I tend to leave all my shoulder pads in on all my vintage pieces, and then I just put in the listing that they're easy to remove if you want to. Just because some people do want the shoulder pads, especially right now. That look is so still in. So this is one of my favorite pieces. I feel like I'm gonna have to wear this once, and then I'll be able to sell it, just because it is so phenomenal. But that is it. So Quinby, I got 7 items, $14.32. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and in the comments, let me know what your favorite item I picked up during this challenge was. I'd love to hear from you to see what you thought about the items that I was able to get. Also, make sure that you head over to the Grateful Queen on YouTube. Her video is posted as well, so you can check out the treasures that she found during her 20-minute challenge. And then I challenge all of you to do the hashtag 2020 in 2020 challenge. Spread the word. Let's have fun. Do something totally different and see what treasures you can find. All right, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, everybody, see ya!